Good morning everyone and welcome to the mecadminute. I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can get subscription certifications and how to access those specific certifications that you can actually write biannually every year, and you can also get up to 3 different subscription certifications. So that means that for every license you have on active subscription, you get 3 different certifications twice a year. So you can get 3 until the end of June, and then from the 1st of July until the end of December, you can get 3 exams again. So let me quickly demonstrate to you how this is achieved. So the first step is you have to go to your SOLIDWORKS website, and from here you can go to the SOLIDWORKS customer portal. So it's very important that you must have a customer ID. If you already have a customer ID, you can just log in. If you don't, you have to create a SOLIDWORKS ID. The same applies for the virtual Tangix tester site as well. So I'd just like to thank Wessel Stapelberg from Fabrinox that's given me the credentials. So I'm going to use his email address and I'm going to log in. If you are logged in, most of you will notice that there's locked icons next to some of them. It's very important then to just go and register your product. So you just take your serial number and register the product. From here you can go to the certifications. This will show you the certification catalog of all the different certifications available. And to go to the certification center, you can just click on this link. So just going over to the 3D Experience Certification Center. So all of the certifications changed for 2020 and everything is now run through this portal and no longer needed for the SMS. So we're just going to log in as Wessel, and you'll notice then it will take you straight to your certifications. So well done Wessel, you've actually got quite a few different certifications, and the next one for you would be your expert examination. So when we go here to the bottom, you can actually go and look at certified users, the certified resellers and training centers, and then the last one with the dollar icon is the subscription offer. So I will click on that. I will click start here. This will take me to a page that will actually ask me to log in with my credentials. So that credentials are the ones that are in the customer ID. And now you can go and decide. So you'll notice that each one that has an asterisk next to it is the one that is already achieved. So for example, you can go and take either one of these. So you can go and select 1 exam per core module, 1 exam per advanced topic, and as well 1 exam per specialty topics. So this is now new in 2020. So this is a great way to go and test your program knowledge on specifics like additive manufacturing or electrical, and even ones like CAM, MVD, and PDM. So this is a very nice way to go and test yourself to make sure that you know the product and you can actually do the certifications. And remember, these certifications will always stay on your name. Even if you change from company, they are yours. We can just go and change the customer ID on our side. So that's that. Please go and get your certifications. Go and write it and be part of the certification world. I would also just like to thank Wessel Stapelberg for his small testimonial, saying that the SOLIDWORKS certification is a great way for you to measure your SOLIDWORKS knowledge and skills. In preparation, you are exposed to a wide variety of useful SOLIDWORKS modeling techniques across various modules that will assist you in your everyday work as well as earning your certifications. Your newly acquired skills and certifications will also be a differentiating factor to help you stand out among other SOLIDWORKS users. The SOLIDWORKS certifications is therefore a great opportunity to advance your design skills and earning accolades for your efforts.